Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Proqual Level 2 Award in Machinery Safety for Maintenance Engineers. Are you a maintenance engineer looking to take your career to the next level? Do you want to be the go-to expert in machinery safety and ensure a safer workplace for your colleagues? Look no further. Our course is tailor-made for professionals like you, dedicated to maintaining the heartbeat of industries. Your journey to becoming a machinery safety expert starts here. Don't miss this chance to enhance your skills, boost your career, and contribute to a safer workplace. Ready to revolutionize your career? Enroll now in the Proqual Level 2 Award in Machinery Safety for Maintenance Engineers and become the safety leader your industry needs. The Proqual Level 2 Award in Machinery Safety for Maintenance Engineers course is a specialized training program designed to equip maintenance engineers with essential knowledge and skills related to machinery safety. This course is tailored to meet the unique needs of professionals responsible for maintaining and servicing machinery in various industries, including manufacturing, oil and gas, construction, and more. Qualification structure. To achieve the Proqual Level 2 Award in Machinery Safety for Maintenance Engineers, candidates must complete the following single mandatory unit of 50 guided learning hour, Machinery Safety for Maintenance Engineers. Who is this course for? The Proqual Level 2 Award in Machinery Safety for Maintenance Engineers course is intended for a specific audience within various industries. This course is ideally suited for maintenance engineers, industrial technicians, safety professionals, supervisors and managers, maintenance and safety team members, graduates and entry-level professionals, contractors and service providers, anyone with machinery safety responsibilities. Learning outcomes. Here are some potential learning outcomes for the Proqual Level 2 Award in Machinery Safety for Maintenance Engineers course: deep understanding of machinery safety regulations, effective risk identification and assessment, competence in hazard mitigation, proficiency in machinery inspection, swift and effective emergency response, documentation and reporting skills, promotion of safety culture, application of knowledge, leadership in safety initiatives, enhanced career prospects. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.